I'm Manoj. I'm the co-founder of Madrat Games. We started in 2010 through games, making learning more easy, effortless, and engaging for children. During my college at IIT Guwahati, I did my bachelor's in design from there. So there, one of my projects was to develop a game which could connect the third generation and the first generation. And so the thought was that what if we have a game in an Indian language, in our mother tongue? How to use game design, for learning, for math, for Hindi, for preventing things like senile dementia, so other such things. And then there were all these games like Scrabble, Boggle, which are very, very famous. And Scrabble comes in almost 30 world languages. It comes in almost all the languages, but Hindi and any other Indian languages are not there. If you blindly copy Scrabble in Hindi, then you'll end up with some 4,000 tiles, and the size of the board would be bigger than that of a double bed. And then I moved to Bangalore, joined a startup over here, worked for 5 months over here. And Rajat and Madhumita, they had done their bachelor's in computer science from IIT Bombay. And then Rajat went for his master's to Carnegie Mellon. As soon as his master's got over, in fact before his master's got over, he came back to India, and he and Madhumita, they both wanted to work in the education sector, work with so they moved to Rishi Valley School, and they were teaching over there for 4 years to 5th and 6th standard children. They were teaching science to them. They were using lots of games in their classroom. So Rishi Valley is a very open school, so instead of having that regular way of teaching, they used to have, like, for example, they had this whole thing that learning by making and breaking toys. So which was all about, these toys were there and the kids used to explore them, कि अच्छा इसको अगर ऐसा कर दिया तो कैसा होगा. And Rajat used to run a board games club over there. So we both had an interest in board games. I submitted this plan for Aksharit in a business in IIM Kolkata, and to our surprise, it went on to win the competition. That gave us a lot of boost, and the jury over there said that they see the potential of Aksharit becoming the game of the masses in India. And now Aksharit is in 11 languages: Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Marathi, Punjabi, and all these languages. There was this person from UNICEF, Mr. Venkatesh Mallur. His child used to study at Rishi Valley, and he's a education specialist at UNICEF. At that time, he was in Chhattisgarh. He was heading UNICEF over their education in Chhattisgarh. He saw these games and he really liked these games. So उन्होंने बोला कि I like these games, but if you can convince 100 teachers from Chhattisgarh, where I am right now, that this game is actually useful in learning, so we can actually go ahead with this. So then we all went to Chhattisgarh, and वहाँ पे all these government schools काफी remote areas में Dondi, Kaker, ऐसे दूर हैं. So we went over there, shared the game with teachers, हिंदी का game and all that, and we were very surprised. सबका feedback बहुत अच्छा था कि हाँ, मतलब क्योंकि हिंदी के अंदर there is no language learning aid till now, इतना फोकस भी नहीं है बेसिकली हिंदी पे. So उनके हिसाब से काफी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला. So they went ahead with, they gave us an order for 6,000 games for a pilot in 1,000 schools, and at that time we were quite nervous कि मतलब the games were going out from our hand to through them कि how will they use it, what will happen. So then what we did was that we gave a postcard with our Bangalore address to all these 1,000 schools, to all the teachers, and उसमें हमने एक सिंपल टिक एंड क्रॉस वाला क्वेश्चनियर था कि इस गेम से आपको क्या फायदा हुआ है, मतलब अक्षर की पहचान, मात्रा की पहचान, क्लास में इंटरेस्ट हिंदी की तरफ कैसी, मतलब क्या इंटरेस्ट कैसा बढ़ा है, व्हाट आर योर व्यूज, एंड उनका फोन नंबर एंड नेम ऑफ टीचर एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड वी सेड कि आप इसको यूज करिए 3-4 महीने, अगर आपको लगता है तो आप इसको भर के और बस आप पोस्ट बॉक्स में डाल देना, उसमें स्टैम्प वैम्प सब लगा हुआ था. एंड आफ्टर गिविंग दोज गेम्स, आफ्टर 5 months, we got back 750 postcards back. So it was almost like Harry Potter में नहीं होता, every day 200 postcards will come, and then we were like, अच्छा क्या feedback आया. And then we analyzed all those feedbacks. So, and it was so good to find that 100% of the teachers had said that हिंदी भाषा में रुचि में अत्यधिक सुधार है. So Chhattisgarh का it all went nicely. They gave a good feedback, and then 4 other governments took it up in Madhya Pradesh in 600 schools, in Rajasthan in 300 schools, in Bengal in 100 schools. When we started, so people are like कि एक तो हिंदी का गेम है, and then you are a startup, just 4-5 people, and you are starting with the government. They have large sales cycle, तो बहुत follow up करना पड़ेगा, bribery, बहुत सारे मतलब चक्कर आने वाले. तो why are you, this is not the right way to go initially. कुछ पावर तो हो तुम्हारा, वैसा कुछ हो, बट somehow हमें लगा कि मतलब अगर एक्चुअली में मतलब जो इम्पैक्ट हम सोच रहे हैं कि गेम ऑफ द मासेस अगर बनाना है, सो गवर्नमेंट एंड सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूट दे आर द वंस जो जो जिनका वो इम्पैक्ट है. 2 लाख स्कूल्स हैं मतलब यूपी में, 2 लाख स्कूल्स हैं छत्तीसगढ़ में, तो वो वहीं पे इम्पैक्ट आ सकता है. प्राइवेट स्कूल्स ये सब करने से नथिंग विल हैपन. बट या ऑब्वियसली नाउ वी हैव रियलाइज्ड दैट दिस गवर्नमेंट मॉडल इज वन, बट इट ऑब्वियसली इट टेक्स इट्स ओन टाइम. फॉर एग्जांपल हमने 2 साल पहले करा था पायलट फॉर 1000 schools, and then they had said that now this year I think they'll be taking it to all the 32,000 schools over there. So but that has taken 2 years. Government is one channel, but we need to have more recurring revenue channels. So we started with so now we actively started 1 year back with we made a mobile version of the game and shared it with Nokia, and they took it on 5 lakh touch phones, Nokia N8 touch phones. And similarly then Intel also took it for their app store, and Google also took it for Google Chrome. They were launching these Google Chromebooks in India, and so pura Chrome web store they had developed, and they were looking for these Indian language apps. So we found out this also one need, that these all big corporates like Nokia, Intel, Google, they had this need to localize their app stores, and these games are fitting it nicely over there. And also we have started to now take these games into the retail market. So we have launched like Aksharit, and there's another game, My Toy Factory, which is getting a very good response. It's a do-it-yourself science kit which has come from that course, learning by breaking and making toys. It's a directly product form of that class sort of in a way. And we have launched in 30 big stores, and I think we are scaling up very fast in retail also. So by the end of this year we want to have explored retail, digital and government, and then see that do you want to be continuing all three together, kaise jana hai usme. This new project that we're working on is developing games for autistic children, developing iPad apps for them, a speech recognition based game, which is मतलब काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है उसके लिए भी. And so now we are working on iPad games and Facebook games also. Actually, on the contrary, the good thing is that games build a very good motivation, because जो incentive होता है it's on a very smaller scale, कि हाँ अगर मैंने ये चला तो मुझे इतने points मिलेंगे. If I do this, I'll win this game. So that this is why that a 15-minute or 20-minute game, it becomes so engaging, because you're always ki how can I use my brain best and make the best move. And once you score a point for some word, you never forget it, ki हाँ I make whatever आज्ञाकारी and I got 50 points for that. Games में basically games are nothing but motivation, मतलब वो बस ये incentive reward कि मैंने ये करूँगा मुझे reward मिलेगा. So small goals, small rewards, small goals, small rewards, and then you win the game. So how we design games, the basic thing we do is that we put the reward where there is the learning that will happen, because we want them to learn this particular thing. अगर mental math का game बना रहे हैं अभी हम जैसे, we want them to solve 5 equations in their head, and when they solve that, there is the reward. So in tier 1 cities, what we have found is that there's a section of parents जिनके लिए हिंदी सिखाना has become a challenge, because Hindi is firstly वही एक तो preferred like schools में वो है कि it's a mandate कि हिंदी is a subject, it's a mandate all over India, so they have to learn it. But as you know, so मतलब पर अभी आजकल बच्चों को मतलब obviously हिंदी is just यहाँ बोलने आनी चाहिए उतना है बस, ठीक है. बाकी English is the aspirational language, and over here like in Bangalore everyone talks in English. All the kids in my society they talk in English. So there, because Hindi is a subject, so for parents they are looking for कि how do I teach him, उसको बैठाऊँ कैसे मैं वो सिखाने के लिए. So they have found Aksharit, that way they found it very good. And the other thing is that these other games like this My Toy Factory, that is also getting very good response in all these tier 1 cities like Bombay, Bangalore, Delhi, because it's all about how to utilize waste and how to make toys out of waste. So, and these are things which are parents are looking towards. So as of now, we are one thing that we are doing is that we are conducting these baseline studies for Aksharit to actually know how effective it is in learning, and then based on those, the results from those, we'll be conducting in 1,000 schools, 100 schools, something like that, and then based on those results, we'll be scaling it up in other governments and other schools. 2 years ahead from now, for example, now government is the major revenue source for us, but I think 2 years or 3 years from now, it will shift towards digital.